Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so, children, today we will learn about the birds. Okay, children? Birds. 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 Okay, before we start this topic, let's take a small revision what we had learned in previous class. Okay. So, in previous class, we have learned about the reptiles. Reptiles. So, children, reptiles are the animals that can crawl. Okay? Like crocodile, alligator, snake, lizard, turtle, tortoise, iguana and chameleon. Okay, children? So, children, in today's class we will study about the birds. Okay? So, children, birds have feathers. Okay? And birds can fly. And birds can look completely different than each other. You can see birds can look completely different than each other. And birds like to eat insects and seeds and plants. Okay? Birds like to eat insects, seeds and plants. So, children, let's start. So, let's learn more about the birds. Okay? So, first bird is pigeon. 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 Pigeon is a bird that lives in close to humans. Next is peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. 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 So, children, peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth. And peacock is our national bird. Okay. So, next bird is, which bird is this? Parrot. 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 So, children, parrot is the most popular and loved bird among children. Many parrots are green colored and some are multicolored. Okay? Next is sparrow. 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 Sparrow have beautiful voice and their chirping and singing can be heard all over. Okay? And next bird is crow. 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 So, crows are blackbird known for their intelligence and for their loud harsh caw. Caw. Next bird is woodpecker. 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 So children, woodpeckers are small birds with very strong beak, and they use their beaks to hammer into trees to find insects to eat. Next is myna. Myna. M-Y-N-A-H. Myna. They love to hop around and friendly with kids. Next bird is hummingbird. Hummingbird. Hummingbirdh. Hummingbird. The name hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. They can fly sideways, backward, and up and down. They can fly sideways, backward, up and down. Okay, children. Next bird is crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Cranes are large birds with a long neck and legs. Cranes are large birds with a long neck and legs. Okay, next bird is swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Swans are water birds with heavy body and long neck. Okay, next bird is flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. So children, they are famous for their bright pink feather. Okay, you can see they are famous for their bright pink feather. Okay, now next, which bird is this? Owl. O-W-L. Owl. So children, they have round head and flat face. Owl can have brown, grey, white or black feathers, and owls are active at night. Okay, so children, let's revise it again. Pigeon, peacock, parrot, sparrow, crow, woodpecker, myna, hummingbird, crane, swan, flamingo and owl. So children, there is one exercise for you. What you have to do? You have to identify the birds, then pick the correct spelling from here and write down over here. Okay? So children, let's start. Now tell me, which bird is this? Peacock. Peacock. Okay, let's find the spelling of peacock. Yes, here is it. Okay, now let's write down P E A C O C K. Peacock. Okay. Next is, which bird is this? Pigeon. Pigeon. Okay. Let's find the spelling of the pigeon. Yes, pigeon. P I G E O N. Pigeon. Okay. Now next bird is crow. Crow. Okay. Spelling of the crow is C R O W. Crow. Next is, which bird is this? Parrot. Okay. Now let's find out the spelling of parrot. Yes, here it is. Okay, now P A R O T. Parrot. Okay. Next, which bird is this? Owl. Okay. O W L. Owl. Okay. Next bird. Which bird is this? Crane. Crane. Okay. C R A N E. Crane. Okay. Which bird is this? Swan. S W A N. Swan. So children, today we have learned about the birds. So birds can fly. Birds have feather. No other animal has feathers. Okay, birds can look completely different than each other, and they like to eat insects, seeds and plants. Okay children, so children, do page number 66 and learn at least 5 birds name. Okay, 5 birds name. And you have to write here today's date, 9 October 2020. Okay. So children, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. God bless you all.